In my previous video, I already show you how to find agent information from Zillow website. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can find property owner leads, motivated seller leads from Zillow website. You can easily find who is the owner of this house from Zillow website. Hey there, it's Sabek here. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I help freelancer, marketer, and agency owner generate targeted leads using smart no-code tools. If you want to grow your online business with lead generation and email marketing, make sure to hit subscribe button. Before jumping in this video, I want to tell you some information about skip tracing. Guys, if you want to find property owner leads or motivated seller leads, you must need location. Without location, you cannot find any information. So your client give a location address or any zip code, or he give you a Zillow link or give you a Google Map link and use this address to find leads. My client need to find who selling their house right now. My client give a zip code, so I try 911 and click enter. Can you see, guys, there is a 109 result Zillow provide. But if your client need those house who's the owner rent, so you can click this one and click for rent. Or if your client need owner who already sold, then you can click sold. Or if your client need who selling their house right now, then you can click sell. I hope you can understand now this matter. Let I choose this house, so click this one. This is the house front picture. This is the other picture. This is the Zillow information of this house. I hope you can easily understand because I already explained everything of my previous video. So guys, we need this house owner information. So how we can find this house owner information? Now you must add a new open tab and find search bar and type fastpeoplesearch.com. Click enter. Guys, if you are living outside of the USA, then you must need a VPN to visit this website. After visit VPN and use USA IP, then you can easily visit this website. Click verify you are human. So guys, this website they show you find people fast and free, person by name, phone number or street address. But we don't know owner name, phone number, but we know owner house address. So again, go to our Zillow website. Right now we just copy this address. This is the house road number one part. This is the another part zone, this house the state. At first we copy this one, click copy and go to fastpeoplesearch.com website and click address and then paste first part of this house address and again back to our Zillow website, and at that moment I copy second and third part. I copy to address, just click copy and back to our website and paste here and now click research. At first we ensure this is the same house of the Zillow website. We see this house. Back to Zillow website, we can see this house road number 223E 28HST and this house is road number 223E 28HST, Los Angeles, California 911 zip code, and this is the Los Angeles, California 911 zip code. So this is the same house. If you want to more ensure this house is the same house of Zillow website, you can click view larger map. They show you this house in front of the road picture. You can see zoom this one, so you can click this picture. This is the house in front picture. This is the another house beside this house. This is the another. Can you see, guys? This is the another house. Now back to our Zillow website. We just scroll down. Can you see, guys? Zillow also provide a map. So we just click street view. Can you see, guys? This is the same house we saw Fast People Search website. This is the house. This is the house beside this house. And if we show road, this is the house we saw Fast People website. This is the road. Now we sure this is the same house we saw Zillow website. Click cross and back over this side. We can also see this house 2 bedroom 1 bathroom, square feet 1016. This house built 1889. Zillow house also show you 2 bedroom 1 bathroom 1016 square feet. This house built in 1889. So we can easily understand this is the same house we saw Zillow website. Now we want to need who is the owner of this house. They show you the most recent tenant is a Gabriel Acosta. We scroll down, we find information everything of Gabriel Acosta. His age is 50. This is his past address. This is his relative mother, father, and his relative name. We can see view free details. Now you can see everything of Gabriel Acosta information. We can find his primary phone number. This is his landline phone number. We find who emailed this person. Gabriel.@hotmail.com and saracosta21@yahoo.com. We can easily copy those email address and paste Google Sheet for our client because client must need email address, phone number. We can also copy all bedroom, bathroom, square feet, year build, estimate value, pricing, address. We can easily copy all details and paste Google spreadsheet or CSV file, whatever you want to save it to give your client. So guys, I hope now you can easily understand how to find property owner leads from Fast People Search website. Now I am going to show you a real project how to find property owner leads. This is my recent client job. Client said I need property owner leads for homeowners who are currently looking to sell their houses in Wayne County, Michigan. The lead details should include owner name, address, phone, email, number of bedroom, number of bathroom, price, source, and listing link. So guys, at first go to Zillow.com and find search bar and type Wayne County, Michigan and click search. After type this location, you can see this our client need selling house. So click sell. If our client need rent house or sold house, we must click rent or sold if our client want. But our client need only selling house. We click sell. Client need house, so we click house. Others we don't need, so we don't click this one. We just click house. Client need homeowner property leads. So if we choose owner posted, it's more easy to find homeowner leads. So I just click this one and now click apply. After apply this filter, you can see 185 results they showing. Let I choose this house. So click this one. So now I just copy this house address. Click copy and go to thepeoplesearch.com website and click address and paste first part. And now paste second part. Just remove this one. Now click find search. After input this address, they show you this result. This address tenant is Deborah O'Connell. Now scroll down and find Deborah O'Connell full information and click view free details. So I just copy this property owner name. Click copy. If you want, you can save it your Google spreadsheet or any CSV file, whatever you want to save it for your client. Right now I open my Google spreadsheet. I already typed this that my client need owner name, address, phone number, email, bedroom, bathroom, price, source, listing link. So I just paste my owner name. Now we need address. Now we back to Zillow website and copy this address and go to Google spreadsheet and paste address. Now we need phone number. Back to Fast People Search site. Now we just scroll down. This is his primary phone number. This is the others wireless phone number, but I copy this number. So click copy. Again back to spreadsheet and paste this phone number. Now we need email address. Again back to this site. We just scroll down. And you see guys, there are 3 email address. If your client need more email address, you can type your Google spreadsheet column 1, email 2 or email 3. But right now I choose only one email. Just click copy this one and back to spreadsheet and paste. Now we need bedroom, bathroom. Back to Zillow website, 3 bedroom. Just copy, back to spreadsheet and type 3 bedroom and 1 bathroom. Back to spreadsheet and type 1 bathroom. Now we need pricing. Back to Zillow website. Just copy this price. Okay, copy back to spreadsheet and paste. Now, so guys, we find these leads Zillow plus fastpeoplesearch.com. So we type Zillow plus fastpeople search. Zillow plus fastpeople search. Now we need listing link. Back to Zillow website. Just copy this link. Click copy and go to spreadsheet and type view link and just double click and click three dot and click this insert link. Now I just paste this link that I copy from Zillow. Just click apply. Can you see guys, this is the Zillow house link. So guys, I hope now you can easily understand how to find property owner leads from Zillow website and fastpeoplesearch.com. I hope this video is helpful for you. Make sure to hit subscribe button if you don't miss my next video. Also, if you have any query, don't forget to ask in the comment box. If you need any freelance service like lead generation, script tracing, you can find my email address in the description below. So guys, see you in the next video.